everybody, Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting with an unboxing for you, and it feels like this package has 2 in there, at least 2. Oh, the label says 3, so lucky. Here's BB, she's guarding over the process. Hi, BB girl. She had a rough day yesterday. It was storming all day, so she had her thunder shirt on. And she only ran and hid a couple times, so that's pretty good. I mean, it was storming all day long. Just like it does in southern Illinois. I didn't know for a long time, since I'm not originally from here, that the storms, when you see a thunderstorm's coming, that's when tornadoes get riled up and come ripping through. So for a while I was afraid of just every time it stormed I'd be on edge, but I don't know, I kind of got used to it. Now I don't worry so much about tornadoes. This is really packaged up well, or else I just suck at opening packages. One of those. Could be both. Sorry, BB. Oh, I pushed it right into her. So mean. Wow, I'm really excited that there's 3 in here. It's like the packaging goes around one box, and then in between the boxes, this is a little crazy. Whole video is going to be me struggling opening the boxes. Hey, you know, it's all hand therapy. I say that a lot. Anything I struggle with, it's all therapy. Emptying the dishwasher, doing dishes, picking things up. It's all therapy. Gotta look at it that way. Gotta use that hand even when you don't want to. Okay, I think I got them both open. BB, am I in your way or are you in my way? Huh? Oh, that smell. What is that smell of just china and drills and canvas? They all have a certain smell. I always wonder if china smells like that. I kind of found that when I go to different countries, they each have their own kind of smell. They don't smell like home. Kind of funny. I always notice the odd things, like all the trees, you know, go to Costa Rica and all the trees are different. Okay, there. Let me get back to the subject here. There's 2 in this one. I will do them each one at a time. There's 2 identical kits. They're both green boat with a funnel, a single drill pen, tweezers, pink wax, and some bags. Yes, they're both identical. So I'll set those aside. This first one is a 40 by 55, and it's colorful Yoda. It's my first Star Wars, I think. Yeah, I think. Very nice. I'll put the picture up for you. BB says I'm much too close. I'm sorry, baby. It's okay. All right. right, let me just try to peel up the paper so it'll lay flat in my closet. My stash pile is getting pretty big. Oh, Bibi's had enough. She's leaving. There we go. Let's see if I can get this to lay flat. Come on. There we go. 1, 2. Okay, I'm looking at the chart up there, and this is a lot of colors. Are you like me where you always look to see how many 310 there is? I think this might be a lot. It's on there. I don't know how many. I'll look at the inventory sheet. I saw one in the bag with the drills. I've seen some people get really vocal in the Facebook groups about how the company should always provide a sheet. I don't care. I mean, it's nice when they do, but if they don't, the information is on the thing. I don't like it when they don't tell you how much you need of each color. That's a little bit of a pain. Because I like to make sure I have enough drills. If I know from the get-go that I'm short, I can make arrangements to order them from somewhere else or look in my storage or ask them to send it. I'm wondering what this is up at the top of his head. Let me turn it around. So it's Yoda on a black background with lots of colors added to him. But I see there's these symbols up here, and I can't quite make them out in the picture. The symbols. Okay, so it's a 40 by 55 full drill square. The symbols are very clear. They're a little different. There's, you know, those like a yin and yang symbol, heart. And then there's some odd ones that I've never seen before. So, doesn't give the quantity on here. Let me see if it gives it on the inventory sheet. But they're all very clear. There's a lot of 310, a lot of black, and that's okay. I kind of like big areas of one color, but then you know, you get those confetti ones. It says on the picture, gosh, I really can't read it. M-A something. I don't know if I like that. I may just fill that in with, if I don't like it when I see it up close in the picture, I may just fill that in with black. You shouldn't be afraid to do additional things to your diamond painting if you think it's going to make them look better. Oh my gosh, this is all 310. All of these. Woohoo! But then look at some of these other colors. A pink and a bright red, and there's a lot of like minty green, turquoise maybe. More red. More burgundy. some bright pinks, some purples. Where's that? I saw it. There it is. Look at that. That's great. So I will do an inventory and give a reporting on what's there. Oh, I just dumped all this out. And now I want to do the other unboxing. All right, let me put these in a bag. This is my method. I use these heavy-duty Ziploc bags from Walmart. And I keep everything together. Oh, okay, so there's 40 colors. 40. And everything is like 1,500, 16,000 black. That's awesome. All right, so let me put all these into the bag. I even put the toolkit in the bag because it's a lot of toolkits. I have so many toolkits and I don't want to lose them. And if I decide to sell any of these down the road, I want everything to be together. So there it all is, and I'll use my label maker and put colorful Yoda on there. And I was doing inventory last night, and I'll start another pile of inventory that I need to do. I've been having pretty good luck lately with the inventories, no big problems. Okay, this one is a 40 by 50 full drill, and it is a lovely little floral. Sorry, I didn't hold that very long. There you go. I will peel up the canvas so that it lays flat and you can see it. Everybody knows how much I love the florals. I'm still buying them, but I'm looking for colors and flowers that I don't have yet. I keep imagining someday I'll be a little old lady living in an apartment surrounded by my diamond painting florals. I hope that's the case. Oof, that felt a little morbid. Okay, change the subject. Full drill square, this one is. Did I put up the picture? Okay, I'll put up the picture. Alright, that's half. Let me peel the rest of it. I try to do like this. In this case, the paper is cut into 2 big pieces, and I try to do all 4 corners. And then once that's done, it lays flat, so I can just go add it to my pile. There we go. All right, let me peel this all down for you so you can see. This has a very purpley look to it, and it's oh, it looks like the flowers are in like a bowl or something. See here. Can you see that? Get a little shine from the overhead light. It's very busy. Even the background has many, many different, there's a lot of texture to the wall behind the flowers. Let me get this up close so you can see how busy that's background. That's gonna be a fun one. Lots of switching colors. All right, let me lay that all flat. Didn't go right. Oh my goodness, it's just all crooked. It's like a 2mm gap in the paper. Not the end of the world, but I don't like it. I don't like my adhesive exposed, because then you'll get all dust and stuff in there. And if you're me, it'll be covered in your hair. Okay, where's the drills? Let's take a look at the colors. Okay, there's the picture. Oh, I already showed it. You guys have seen it. How many times are you gonna look at it? Okay, these colors are beautiful. They're not bright purples, but there's like a million shades of purple in here. Purple, lavender, mauve, some pink, bright pink, lavender, lots of different shades of purple and green. There's greens, there's a lot of cream. Look at that very deep, rich purple. Even there's like a royal purple. Oh, this is going to be a fun one to do. I love these colors. Not a lot of black. The background is more like creams and pinks. There's some, but it's less than most. There are 38 colors, and like I said, it's a 40 by 50 full drill square. I really like this one. It's beautiful. It's really beautiful. The symbols are very similar to Huacon symbols, but this is not a Huacon. I'll have to, I'll put the links up in the description. And thank you for joining me. And if you like my videos, please hit like and subscribe. If you hit the little bell, you'll get a notice when my new videos come out. I have a lot backed up that I have to release, so I'll be busy. And I really appreciate it. If you feel like asking a question, you can comment. I will respond to any questions in the comments. You can come join the Facebook group. We're having fun in there and little contests and things going on. And that's it. You have a great day. Thank you again for the third time for joining me. I really appreciate it. I appreciate everyone's support. And happy diamond painting. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.